around the corner. Diwali is all about shining bright lights, decorating our home with flowers, with rangolis. I'm going to make a craft for this Diwali. I will make a lantern. For making a lantern, we need 35 centimeter by 15 centimeter paper. Once you cut the paper, it will look like big rectangle. Then stick the ribbons in any color you like at both the sides. For decorating the lantern, I need 10 8 cm squares. I will measure the squares and cut them from the craft papers which I have. Now take the square and hold the two corners and stick the corners together. It will look like this. Let's do it for all the squares. I will stick these 10 rolls on the rectangle. Can you imagine how our lantern is going to look? You will see soon. Now one part of our lantern is ready. Next we need some long colorful strips to stick at the end. Let's see how it looks. Wow, so beautiful and colorful. I am sticking both the ends together so it looks like a lantern. Is ready. It is looking so colorful and pretty. Thank you for watching. If you try this, please let me know in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.